I'm flowing into a non-existent place, slowing down the pace in tune with an inner grace. There's a space for worries, sorrows, or regrets. Consciousness is clear in this stage. There's a place of fear. Mind has been in prison, and it's time to let it out, to break free. When I'm freeing my mind, I wanna climb the highest mountain all the way up to the clouds. I wanna dare to myself without disguise. I wanna ride up every mountain, fly away up to the sky. The air feels lighter and I'm freeing my mind. I wanna feel alive. No longer live a lie, freeing my mind. Leaving the cocoon, the comfort zone, the cage. Confidence turned on, worries